Lightning Protection Design System with Complete Solution. Lightning is a natural phenomenon that can cause significant damage to people, infrastructure, and the environment. To ensure the safety of individuals and assets, it is crucial to implement a reliable lightning protection system. At LEC, we provide turnkey solutions that encompass lightning protection design, materials, installation, testing, and commissioning. Turnkey solutions. Our lightning protection design system begins with a comprehensive analysis of your facility's electrical specification and architectural drawings. Based on this evaluation, we customize a solution that meets your specific needs, taking into account factors such as soil conditions, climatic conditions for lightning strikes, and existing electrical systems. Our 3-step process. Step 1, Consulting. This includes technical review and SIRE evaluation. Step 2, Design study, site survey and ground testing. Step 3, Installation, system rectification and warranty. LEC can provide technical and engineering expertise, lightning protection consulting, cost control, enhanced functionality, subcontract for equipment, turnkey pricing, insurance, permits, project management, overcome installation obstacles, inspect new installations done by customer-provided contractors, maintain existing systems with yearly recertification visits. LEC offers a complete solution for lightning protection design and installation, complying with international standards and backed by a no-strike warranty. Protect your facility and assets with LEC's lightning protection design system. Dissipation array system. This works on the charge transfer technology. It reduces the voltage current between the cloud and ground, thereby eliminating the lightning strike from occurring. Spline ball ionizer, a supplement to the dissipation array installation. This is one of the best lightning protection designs installed on structures requiring lightweight protection. Spline ball terminal, an alternate to the standard air terminal, it is engineered to reduce the risk of direct strikes in a highly efficient way. Streamer delaying air terminal, an inexpensive yet highly efficient lightning protection design effectively eliminates a lightning strike. Lightning Eliminators and Consultant Incorporated offers a complete solution for lightning protection design and its installation, complying with international standards and a no-strike warranty. Contact information. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Contact number 303-447-2828. Email info@lecglobal.com. Website https://www.lightningprotection.com/